got some Kayak Peach, motherfuckers. This shit's nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Look at this shit. No. Pension quality is alright. It's alright. The flavor tastes kinda like peach, but I don't know. It's a cheap dip. What can you say? I would never dip it again in my life. So, of course, my jug of the day is the black one. Gotta get you one at mudjug.com. Spitting bottles is for pussies. What can I say? Can't see it. Can't spell it. What can you say? Can't say nothing about that. Y'all need to get you one of these at snuffcaddy.com. Holds your dip right in there pretty good. Put your dip in there. It goes right on your hip. Saves your pocket. It's your dip passer. And I'll say a rating of this, probably a 5. And you know me, I don't dip this shit all the time. First can, last can I'm ever gonna get. And you know me, always chewing that Copenhagen straight. Shit's good. Shout out to Walking Revival 1. Funny as shit. Y'all need to watch his videos and subscribe to him. And like his videos. Funny as fuck. If y'all want me to do a challenge or anything, let me know. You comments down below and I'll do it. No fruity shit though. Fruity shit's nasty. But I used to chew the Skull Crisp one forever. Till my buddy introduced me to this shit right here. And got stuck on. I've been chewing this about a year now. It's pretty good. Sorry about the video quality. I'm on my phone. It's shitty. If you ain't spitting black, you ain't spitting shit.